In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Bluebeam as default PDF viewer. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and get access to Bluebeam Revu. Just click on this Get Started option in order to get access for their account, or you can also click on this Try It Free in order to get 14 days of free trial. You also have the option to buy the software directly through this way. Once you have access, proceed to click on this Login. Click on Bluebeam in order to get this. So I've already downloaded right here Bluebeam Revu. You just need to actually install it. And here is my actual Bluebeam. Onto this case, what we can do is we can head over right here into our part, click on Revu right here. Once you have clicked on this, click on Preferences or just click on Control K on your keyboard. Once that's opened or once that's clicked, you should be able to open this. So under this part, just select in here the options that you want available. Open the default programs option or click on admin first. Click on open default programs and it should be able to open your settings. Or you can set your default programs through the control panel this way as well. We have right here the default apps. So let's choose right here Bluebeam Revu. And then in here, as you can see, the default file type for FDF is Revu, but for the PDF, it's Microsoft Edge. So you can change that right here. So just make sure to change that into this case, and then choose Bluebeam Revu instead of Microsoft Edge in this in order to actually get it right there. Click on Revu and click on Set Default in order to use it as default program. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.